Hey everyone, so I got a couple questions on adding and deleting modes from the light, so I figured I'd go over that really quickly. By default, your barrel light is set up with 4 modes. You have the low, medium, a little bit brighter, and then the high. And to switch between them, you just kind of tap the button. So what some people have asked is how to delete a mode or how to add a mode. So I'm going to go to this second brightest mode and we're going to delete that. So I'm holding it down, which just basically selects it, and then I'm going to tap 8 times to go into programming. And then from there I'll tap 5 more times to get into the add delete submenu. And then from there you can tap 1 time to add a mode, so then I would have 5 modes, or you could tap 2 times to delete the mode, then you'd be down to 3 modes. So we'll do that here. There's the low, the medium, and this is the brighter one. This is the one I want to go ahead and delete. So I'm gonna 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you'll see it blinking. Then I need to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, 2, and now that mode's deleted. So now instead of having 4 modes, I have 3, and now I'm back to the little one, or the lowest one. So I've deleted that particular mode. Now if I wanted to delete the middle one, so I just have low and high, I can do that as well. So I'll go to that middle mode now, and I'll 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, 2, and now I've deleted that mode. So now I'm just going to have low, high, back to low, high. Now if I wanted to add a mode back in, I would do basically the same thing, but instead of doing 2 taps after the 5 taps, I would just do 1, and that's going to add a mode. What it's going to do by default is add whatever mode that you're currently in. So if I'm on the lowest mode, it's gonna duplicate that. So I'll hold that down, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you'll see it's programming now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1. So now I should have 2 lows and a high. So low, low, high. Now from there, I mean, 2 lows isn't going to do me any good, so I'd want to change the brightness. To change the brightness, you're going to do the 8 taps, then you're going to do 3 taps, and then it's going to start cycling through the brightness modes. When you get it to the brightness that you want, then you just tap 1 more time and it'll keep that brightness. So we'll do low, and then we'll go into the second low, so that's the one we're going to want to change the brightness for. And then we'll 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and then you're going to see it's going to go off. And then it's going to start cycling through the different brightnesses. And then when you get to the brightness that you want, you tap and hold for 1 more second, and it'll confirm. So now we're back to 3 modes. We have the low, we have a medium, and we have a high. And if you wanted to add another mode, you can add a mode the same way we just added that one by doing 8 taps, 5 taps, and then 1 more tap to add a mode. You can have up to 7 modes per group. By default, again, it comes with 4. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.